If you want to remove photos that you previously featured on your Facebook profile, there's an easy way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of old featured photos from your profile. All you need to do is follow these simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to remove featured photos from your Facebook profile. To get started, first open up your Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on See Your Profile. Once you are on your Facebook profile, tap on the Edit Profile button, and it will show you a bunch of options. So what you want to do next is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. And as you can see, there is the Featured section, and I have added photos to it. So if I wanted to remove featured photos, what I would do is tap on Edit, and then tap on the Featured collection of photos. And then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and tap on Delete Featured Collection. Tap OK, and that's basically it. So if you go back and scroll down, you'll see that I don't have any featured photos on my profile. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.